If you want to adjust apps permissions on Samsung Galaxy S25, start by opening settings. Then you will have to start scrolling and you have to navigate into security and privacy. Then keep scrolling again until you find permissions. And right now, let's say that you want to grant permissions for your camera. So tap right here and then tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and select Manage Apps with this permission. Then you can find all apps that are allowed while in use, but also you can find all apps that are not allowed. So if I want to grant permission into camera for my browser, I have to select Ask Every Time, or for example, Allow only while using the application. And that's how you can do this actually with every permission that you can find on this list. You can also view last 7 days instead of 24 hours if you cannot find some permissions. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.